Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Johannes Schwarz and I'm the owner of Zugimpex Group. On Wednesday I will talk about the topic how to structure money and assets when you move to a low-tax jurisdiction. This is a quite complicated question because you have to consider the structuring of your assets, of your real estate, but also of your companies in the old country. You have to consider double tax treaties, when you move into the new country, where you move, directly or indirectly, and then how to structure your business later so that your future profits remain tax-free. Myself, I have some experience with it because I moved myself from Austria to Monaco many years ago and we managed to get it done. We did this now with a lot of customers, and on Wednesday I will show you how it works. See you soon.